Today's experiment is elephant toothpaste. And I brought you to the bathroom so that I have easy cleanup in the tub. So if you hear a little echo, that's what's going on. And today what we're going to need is hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring, warm water, and yeast. First, what we do is we add hydrogen peroxide to our container, which I've done here. And then you add dish soap. So we'll add a few drops of dish soap in there. Swish it around a little bit. Next, I'm going to add some food coloring. And the food coloring really doesn't do anything for the experiment other than to make it look cool, which always makes everything more fun. All right, so I've added my food coloring. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mix some yeast with our warm water. To get it nice and activated, stir it up. All right, so now that it's mixed, we're going to pour this into the container. I'm going to take it down here. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. All right, and then we're going to pour that in. And then we get our elephant toothpaste. Now, hydrogen peroxide breaks down or decomposes into water and oxygen gas, which usually happens fairly slowly. In this case, we are adding yeast, which works as a catalyst, accelerating the decomposition reaction. Alone, the oxygen gas would just escape the bottle or container. However, we put dish soap in our peroxide, which created more surface tension. The tension makes it harder for the oxygen gas to escape, and it forms lots of little bubbles in the soap, making the foam that we just saw. The reaction will continue as long as there is hydrogen peroxide and yeast, but once it is all used up, the reaction, one of them is used up, the reaction will stop. This experiment was performed with 3% hydrogen peroxide, but it can be performed with higher percentages. And when a higher percentage is used, it can cause burns because it becomes hot because it's an exothermic reaction.